I'm ready for today. Let's go. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, dear.
Hi, can I sit here? Yeah, sure. Let's do the math. Okay, let's see. My stomach! What's wrong? Are you okay? It hurts so bad. Let me help you. We need to get you to the nurse.
Here is the pregnancy test.
Thank you.
In this bag, it's private.
Okay. Oh my god. No, no, no! This can't be happening!